How to fix YouTube comments internal error encountered problem. So let's see how to fix this problem. First of all, check your internet connection and make sure your internet connection is stable, and then find YouTube app and press and hold on YouTube app. Now open YouTube app info. Just tap on I button or app info. Now go to storage option. Tap on clear data. Tap on delete. Now go back to home screen and then go to Play Store. Now search YouTube. Tap on search app and search for YouTube. From here, update your YouTube apps in latest version. After completing update process, now restart your phone. After this step, your problem will be solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.